Hello, welcome back. We're in Mexico. I'm Aldo and my partner
Dan.
and this is the new season of video tutorials FGC 101 where we will be covering the basic mechanism, programming and non-technical matters that are focused on the challenge to construct a robot and easier to construct in at least 2 hours.
This year we'll add a new video about the strategy design.
The materials that we will be using are below the description.
Let's get started.
The first step is we will be filling completely the 12 90-degree bracket with the 8 hex cap screw with the nail nut, leaving a space between each screw. Then we are going to place 4 at the top side looking inside the extrusion, and then we are going to repeat the same steps below. Now we are going to insert the 90-degree bracket inside the extrusion. Well, it's finished. Now we are going to repeat the same steps below. Now we are going to tie just the 90-degree bracket that are in the border, taking as reference the end side of each face. The next step is put the 4 extractions inside the 90-degree bracket, and remember to align the end side of extrusion to the lateral side of the next extrusion. That way you avoid the incorrect position of your drivetrain. Now we take 8 of the 15mm plastic motion brackets filled with screws and nuts at the end. Put 4 of them between each side of the extrusion, then align and tighten using a reference the border of the side of the 90-degree bracket, then place the other 4 without tightening them. Now, for the back wheels, we are going to use 90mm hex shaft, 2 sprocket, one of 10 tooth and another one of 15 tooth, and 2 ball bearing. For assemble, we are going to take the grip wheel and place it at the middle of the hex shaft. Now, in each side, we are going to put the 2 sprocket, and then finally the ball bearing. And now we are going to assemble another one the same way. Now we are going to assemble the front wheels, and we will be repeating the same steps as we do for the back wheels, but instead of using a 15 tooth bracket, we are going to use a 15mm spacer. And the same step, putting the omnibus at the middle, then the 10 tooth sprocket, the 15mm spacer, and at the end the 2 ball bearing. And this is how this is. And we are going to assemble another one the same way. Now we are going to collocate the grip wheels at the back of the chassis, and in the front we are going to put the omnibus. Don't forget to put the chains and fasten. Now we are going to put the shaft collar in each side of the wheel, and then don't forget to fasten it. Well, that's all for my part. Now, the following steps will be explained by my partner, Dana.
Once you fasten the chains, you have to tie the screws around the sides of the brackets. For the next step, we will assemble the motors. For this, you need 2 HD motors, 2 bend mounting brackets, 2 15-tooth sprockets, and your ultraplanetary cartridge of 5-to-1 and 3-to-1. The bend mounting brackets are filled with screws and nuts. Once they are correctly collocated, you fasten the chain. Remember that the position of the robots change according to the system of your robot, the challenge, or your strategy. So now, in each side of the extraction of the robot, you are going to put a 10mm screw for the control hoop and an 8mm screw for the battery holder plate. The 90-degree plastic brackets are already filled with screws and nuts, and the 90-degree metal brackets I've filled them with screws and nuts. We are going to plug both motors, paying attention to the position of the cables. Keep in mind that the left side, taking the ugly wheels as the front, is the one that is going on port 0, and the right side on 1. This makes the programming process easier. You must collocate the 90 degrees brackets as we showed. With 2 extractions of 8.5 centimeters each, you must be able to slide them with ease and then tight. Step is filling with screws the plastic inside corner. Now you are going to tie with a nut the control hoop and the battery holder plate. We like to use insulating tape to avoid the pressure on the cables and also for the general organization. This is going to be all for us. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions you can check on our Instagram profile.
See you in Panama. Bye.